The proposal that was brought here and discussed.
Ebi bibiroho mu rushitamo rw'ishengero rubiroho izuba rya nyamwebazyo kandi rubire rukurirwe right Honorable Anita Among obuchairman w'akachiko k'ishengero k'ebyesente Honorable Amos Kankunda abanjurire mpinda yenduka kozorwa mu mishore ndizo misya.
The committee noted that the Honorable Minister responsible for finance withdrew the proposal providing for the disposal of shares of a private company from constituting non-business assets and the eventual disposal of non-business assets through auction and mortgage.
Abanyishengero bagarukire bayanga umushoro gwa siringi bishatu ogubire gongerwa harita y'amashita ga parafini ngo hakuba umushoro gutugura kwetagisa kandi nuguremese ntunguka yebicweka obwo bagumize ngo banyigirize munonga abanya-Uganda.
The challenge is about implementation. Government yongayo ekyalemereddwa okwenforcing okumaking sure tewabaawo bano bantu batabula mafuta o compromising quality y'amafuta wabula sikuleta musolo mupya oba sikuongeza musolo kuba kino kifuula amafuta ag'ebbeeyi ku muntu wa bulijjo agakozesa omugaso omutuufu.
Aba hona banjire n'umushoro gwa siringi 10 ogubire gutirwa hari petrol na diesel obwo bagumize ngo kongera umushoro amashitani kiza kutembesa ebbeeyi y'ebintu.
Let me give information. In Kenya, they charge excise duty, they charge petroleum development levy, petroleum regulatory levy, railway development levy, and adulteration levy. I want to give the total taxes charged. The total taxes charged amount to about 2,155 per litre, not 600.
Nabwa nyuma umushora hari mobile banking ogobchweka butano nago gwanjurwe okugira ngo government nenda kwihemenyeto mu business aha kubantu batunga maguba make nuko speaker kugira ngo iteka rya excise duty act ryemerezubwe mpako baragaruke kuri yetegereza.
What is the difference between a teller within the banking hall and an agent bank down in the village who has taken services closer to the people?
Madam Speaker, for me to go to work to an agent banker in my trading center, I don't have to incur transport cost. But if I'm to go to Centenary Bank in Kabale, I have to board a taxi, put in time, spend a day going to look for money in the bank. What agency banking has brought are the services are now nearer to the people.
Ishengero hona ribingere no mushoro gubire gutirwa abantu bari kutundura mu matawuni ogobchweka butano harigana amagubaguba rukuba batungire gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.